Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a review on the Jose Eber hair straightener. If you're interested to find out how I managed to get my hair from this to now, which is much better compared to just now, just keep watching. Before I start on the actual review and the demo of this hair straightener, I'll be giving you guys more information about what it actually is and what it claims to do and so on. So the one that I have is actually the titanium plates wet or dry styling flat iron, and this is a hair straightener styling tool, and this retails for $449 Sing. The one that I have is actually limited edition because, as you can tell, like the plates in between are red, so that's why it's limited edition, which is like pretty lame. Usually if you find it in store, it will be in gold color instead of red. So what's pretty cool about this hair straightener is that you can actually use it on wet hair. So instead of blow drying your hair, I'm just reading off like what it claims to do on its website. So this wet or dry styler lets you dry damp hair and straighten simultaneously, eliminating the need to blow dry your hair before styling. And another reason why this is much more expensive compared to like the other hair straighteners they have in their brand is because like these two plates are actually like titanium plates. So because of the titanium plates, it claims that it will not damage your hair as much as the normal one would. So on top of the review, I will also be showing you guys how I actually use it on a daily basis. Okay, just kidding, I don't use it every day. I only use it probably like once or twice a month. So let me just connect to the power. Okay, so for this hair straightener, as you can see over here, there are actually 4 different temperatures that you can choose from, which ranges from 160 to 180 to 200, and the highest is 220 degrees. The on and off button is over here. So this is also the button that you use to control the temperature. So if you connect this to the power, there will be a light over here that indicates to you that it's on. So usually I'll just go for 180 because 200 and above sounds like way too scary for me. Before I start using the hair straightener on my hair, I will usually go in with my hair oil. This is just to prevent it from any heat damage, and my hair is really extremely dry. So I'm just going to like quickly apply like a bit of oil on both sides. So as you can see, my hair is actually a bit curly by itself. No idea why, probably because I tie it too frequently. What I usually do when I straighten my hair is that I will use like a clip like this to section out my hair, so that at one point I only focus on one selected part or section of my hair, so that it can be as straight as it can. Okay, so now I will section out my hair so that I can focus on the lower ends of my hair first. Then I will just like take this clip and clip it like this. Okay, so I'm going to set it to like 180, and let's just wait for it to heat for a while. So as you can tell, like this part of my hair is extremely curly. I need to get my hair done before Chinese New Year. Probably I'm going to like curl my hair or perm my hair before Christmas. Let's go ahead and straighten my hair. Yeah, I think it's like a bit hot now. And I feel that it makes such a huge difference, like when you straighten your hair. I mean, for me, when I straighten my hair on days versus on days when I don't straighten my hair, like my hair instantly looks so much better. And another thing that I like about this hair straightener is that it will add a natural shine to your hair after you straighten it. I have no idea like what's the technology behind it, but it really does add a shine to my hair. So as you can see, if you compare like this part of my hair versus this part, you can immediately tell the difference. Like this part is much like softer and smoother and shinier, and this part is just like, it looks like I just got out of it. Okay, so let's move on to this part. Okay, so done with this section as well. So the difference is pretty obvious in my opinion, and I guess for the remaining part of my hair, I'll just like do it off camera because I have quite a lot of hair, and I guess it will like take probably an hour Okay, like, just kidding. Probably like 30 minutes for me to like straighten my whole hair. So I'll be back after I straighten my hair, and I will also include a difference of my hair before and after, so that you guys can like compare and see if what I say about like this hair straightener is true. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, I'm back after straightening my hair. So I'm not too sure you can see the difference compared to just now, but I think there's quite a huge difference in terms of how less messy my hair looks, and it's also much straighter. Of course, like I added some hair oil after I'm done with my hair because my hair is extremely dry. I mentioned just now the hair straightener actually has like 4 different types of temperature for you to choose from, and usually I will just go for 180, and even for today I also use 180 because I don't want to go like above 200. I think it's like slightly a bit too much for my hair, especially my hair is already quite dry by itself. In terms of the review of the product, I totally think it's worth the money. Of course, at this price range you can easily get the GHD hair straightener for about the same price, or if you get it during like the Sephora discount. I actually got the GHD one for my mom, but she seldom uses it, so probably if you guys are interested I can do another review for the GHD hair straightener. But usually for myself, I just stick to my own hair straightener because I think it's pretty good. And what I feel to be more important is that the fact that the plates are actually titanium plates, so I believe, or I hope, it doesn't do like that much damage to my hair, because I feel that my hair is very dry and I don't want to like make it even worse than it already is. So as I was saying just now, I'm thinking of like perming my hair probably like end of the month or maybe in December. So now my hair is about my chest length. I'm still waiting for it to grow probably like maybe an inch or 2 inches longer, because I want to achieve that wavy long hair effect that I always see on Korean drama. To be honest, I feel that my current hair length is still a bit too short to perm because I want to achieve the effect that I imagine. So of course I need my hair to be longer in order to achieve that effect. Forgot to wear back my ring. Okay, so I guess that concludes today's video, and if you guys have any particular kind of requests that you'd like to see, or any particular sort of like video or product that you would like me to review, just comment down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!